So, good day to everyone. My topic is all about the single or multi-stage submersible pumps. I am your reporter, Mr. Ramses J. August. So, first of all, we all know that submersible pumps are essential devices used to transport fluids from below the surface, and they can be categorized into two main types based on the number of impellers that they possess. Single-stage and multi-stage pumps. Each type has a distinct characteristics, applications, and operational efficiencies. So, the definition: single-stage and multi-stage submersible pumps are specialized devices designed to operate while submerged in fluid, primarily for the purpose of moving from the lower elevations to higher ones. So, in a single-stage and multi-stage submersible pumps, there are specialized pumps to operate completely submerged in a liquid. They are commonly used to move liquids from lower to higher elevations. So here are the key components. First, at the console, the picture. So the first in the impeller. So impeller, this is the heart of the pump. It is responsible for creating the pressure that moves the liquid. Next, in the upper part, head, it represents the energy imparted to the fluid by a pump and is crucial for determining the pump's performance in lifting water to desired elevation. So next, the upper bearing. Its primary function is to stabilize and align the rotating shaft which connects the motor to the impeller. So next, the diffuser. The diffuser directs fluid from the impeller to the discharge outlet while converting kinetic energy into pressure energy. So the next key components: shaft. Shaft, it connects the impeller to the motor, and it is transferring the power. Next is the casing. So casing is encloses the motor and impeller that protects them to providing path for the liquid flow. So how it works? First, the fluid entry. In this situation, the liquid enters the pump through an inlet. Next is impeller action. So here, the impeller rotates and creates suction that draws the liquid into the pump. So next, as the liquid flows through the impeller, it gains a pressure. So after that, the fluid discharge. So the pressurized liquid discharge through the pump outlet. So here are the types of submersible pumps. First is centrifugal submersible pumps. It is best for low viscosity fluids. Second is positive displacement pumps. So first, the centrifugal submersible pumps. It is best for low viscosity fluids like water. They use centrifugal force to move the liquid. So here in the positive displacement pumps, it is highly ideal for high viscosity fluids like example oil. They they work by trapping a fixed volume of liquid and forcing it through the pump. So single stage and multi-stage pumps. Here are their here are their advantages and disadvantages. So the advantages of it is a simpler design and leads to easier maintenance. Second, it is generally more energy efficient for low pressure applications. So here in the disadvantages, they limited lower pressure capabilities, making them unsuitable for high lift applications. So for the multi-stage pumps. Here are the advantages. First, capable of generating high pressures. Second is more efficient in terms of hydraulic performance over longer distances. So in second, the disadvantages for the multi-stage pumps, it is more complex design, and its initial installation and cost may be higher due additional components. So pasabot ani na chance nga mga mahal ang iyang mga gamitonon na components. So the applications, so this used for residential water supply, agriculture irrigation, industrial application, city drainage systems, high pressure water supply systems, boiler feed water system, oil and gas production. So kasagaran gyud magamit nato ni sa mga dagko nga mga companies like nga needed sa ato ang community. For example, like water supply, like Bohol Waters. So for agriculture irrigation, example ani kana patubig sa mga tamnanan or basakan. So like industrial applications pod mo na yung magamit nito na siya tanan sa day by day life na to. So that's all for my report. Thank you for listening.